tun tum chu pastor te hian engwangin nge korngong var an hak thin ti hi tlemin lu chil le in tum chin te ang kumsang khazariat somli atang dai to khan Anglican minister te chuan kor chungdum ha in le necktie var an or thin achan chu midang te laka olsam taka hriat than theina turin ani necktie var in a entir chu rong var hian mangai na thatna ngilne na le zaidam na a entir baka thiang hlimna a entira hetiang thinlung hi kaushan mi puite chunga kapuang ti a entir korchungdum hian inhlan na le inpek na a entira sa khopui thiamin korchungdum a hak hian pathian hne na a intulut ani ti a entir Church of England Center in Asia danin pastor korngong kanti mai clerical collar hi kumsang khajaria somruk panga khan Church of Scotland Reverend Donald MacLeod Glasgow khopuya minister rongbol na chel tu in ahmu chu ani he clerical collar hi sang khajaria somruk panga kuma mu chu ani ma se anol puin pastor emo puithiam korngong atana anman chu kumsang khajariat somriat chho atang khan ani Presbyterian koshan atanga mu chua ani chung hian Christian sakhopol dangte Catholic Church Anglican Church Methodist Church Eastern Orthodox Church Baptist Church Lutheran Church te po in an pomvek Vatican Second Council ma chuan clerical collar hi Catholic Church claim zok narama chuan kholaya hak thin atan an lo mang thin bok USA a thung chuan kumsang khazariat somriat atang to khan Catholic Church puithiam te chuan clerical collar hak hi ti nge tur an lo ti dai to amuchuak tu Presbyterian Church in Khovel Puma in angtlang taka an chin dan ero chu sa kho serle sang poimo le puithu big pastor induction sacrament in nei mithi vui ate ani